The first thing that I noticed about this problem is that we have a whole number here, and we are subtracting a fraction from that whole number. So the first thing I want to do is I want to change this whole number to a fraction. To change a whole number to a fraction, you just write it over 1. 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. And then I just copy the 58/7. Now, I can't just subtract this as is. I need a common denominator. So 7 is a multiple of 1. I know how to get from 1 to 7, so I'm going to go ahead and just establish 7 as the new denominator that I'm going to use. And really, the 58/7 I don't have to change. It's just going to stay 58/7. What I do need to change is 8 over 1. To change the denominator from 1 to 7, I need to multiply 1 by 7. If I multiply the denominator by 7, I also must multiply the numerator by 7 to keep this fraction equivalent to the original fraction. 56/7 is equal to 8 over 1. So I can get rid of this 8 over 1 and replace it with 56/7. And then I'll copy down the subtraction sign and the 58/7. Now that the denominators are the same, I can just drag that denominator over. The denominator stays the same, and now this is the work I need to focus on. Taking 56 and subtracting 58. Now the skill that we've been working on recently is learning how to change subtraction to addition. You're supposed to learn that this year. I'm supposed to teach you that 56 minus 58 is the same as 56 plus a negative 58. If you want to show the change up here, we can just show that we are adding the opposite. Now that this problem is an addition problem, we ask ourselves, are the signs here the same or are the signs different? Well, this is a negative 58 and this is a positive 56 that we're adding together. So the signs are different, so we would subtract. And we take the larger number in terms of absolute value, put that on top, and then subtract the smaller number in terms of absolute value. 58 minus 56 is 2, and we have 58 negatives and only 56 positives, so this answer is a negative 2. Remember, I can also write this as 2 over negative 7, or more commonly, when you're recording your answer, most people write the negative in the middle beside the fraction bar, and they'll write their answer like this, negative 2/7.